I'm sure you've been in situations where you feel annoyed and angered, frustrated, and often wondered where God is. I have been in many, and this week was no different. However, I'm quickly learning that God is always present and always showing up for us, even in those challenging situations. In the situations where we wonder, why is this happening to me? If only we look closely, we'll be able to point out God's mercy, His grace, and His kindness, and find things, so many things to give thanks for, completely shifting our perspective. Something happened to me this week that left me so irritated. However, later that day, God showed me how He spared my feelings, and I was able to see how He saved me from a major embarrassing encounter. His timing was literally perfect. And you know what? My perspective completely changed, and I had peace where I initially didn't. And if I was to tell someone about what had happened, I don't think they would understand why and how I could be so peaceful. Sometimes we focus too much on the negative situations rather than finding major positives. The major positives that has come from such horrible situations, the great things that God has done for us. Whatever you may be going through, take away the focus from the negatives, the annoying neighbor, the horrible manager, the job that's not your dream job or your current location. Whatever it is, look past it all. And I'm sure you'll be able to see so much to give God thanks for. 1 Thessalonians 5 verses 18 says, "In everything give thanks, for this is the will of God in Christ Jesus for you."